Iuuwi mo for sure ang pinaka-practical na e-bike na to. Glide the street, ride with style. Meet NXT Glidion, ang bagong paborito mo pang school service, subdivision, pamalengke o pang daily errands.
Tignan mo naman, sa design pa lang talagang agaw pansin with its super cute accents. May 60 volts 32 amperes LED acid battery at 800 watts motor kaya smooth at matipid sa biyahe. Kaya nitong umabot ng 30 to 40 kilometers sa isang charge at hanggang 35 kilometers per hour ang speed. Kaya ang 250 kilos, perfect para sa pamilya o barkada, daily errands, and more. May hydraulic rear suspension, 180-meter disc brake sa harap, at drum brake sa likod. At syempre, may reverse camera din para safe at komportable sa lahat ng daan. Trendy ang mga colors, siguradong stand out. May rubber matting, armrest, at syempre sobrang dali i-drive with high and low gear at 3-speed control.
Hindi lang trendy ang design. Loaded in with specs and features ang NXT Glidion.
Charging time na 5 to 7 hours. Merong 3x10 front and rear tire, 15-tube controller, 3-speed na din ito. May LCD display, Bluetooth, rain cover, wiper at rear storage with lock. Plus, may alarm with remote for extra security. With a dimension of 204 by 85 by 170 centimeters and gross weight of 180.5 kilograms.
NXT Glidion comes with the following warranty: 1 year for motor, 6 months for charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today.